Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to get to the stock lending program. So you see these stocks that I have here. I'm actually lending out these stocks and getting interest dividends back to me just for having stocks in my portfolio and lending it out to other Webull users and other people in the stock market. So I'm going to show you here. If you tap on the top right on details, you're able to go down to see which income you're getting and what's coming in and things like that. One of them is your interest receivable, which it shows you all the interest that you're receiving per day. So every day you are getting interest that is incurred from lending out your stocks. It's called the Stock Lending Income Program that Webull gives. It automatically pays you in the middle of every month. So on top of having dividends, you're able to enroll into this program. So the way to enroll into this program is going to the settings on the top right and then going to the middle and going to Stock Lending Income Program. Okay, and as you can see, I'm already enrolled, but you have to enroll yourself, okay? So once you see all of these, right? I didn't even get any of the January interest yet. All of these are a year back. So I started this program back in 6/27. So I don't know what that is. What is that? June, July? I don't know. What is that May, March? I don't know. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, as you can see, it went up, 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 it went up. It keeps going up. You know what I'm saying? All the way until January now, right? It's in the thousands. It's going to hit 2,000 soon. Just think about it. The more you put in, the more interest you're going to get back with more loans because they're going to be able to give you out more loans. Okay? So definitely check this out. The interest program, it tells you more about it. Definitely check this out. If it's for you, dope. If you didn't know, cool. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.